Today we are playing a twist on the game of jumping frogs. I got these from the dollar store, along with some of these little girls' bracelets as well. We put them together with some binder rings. This is from the game Suspend, but you can hang it from anything that you have. And then we're going to play that this one is worth 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 points. These are going to be pretty miraculous to get. Also pretty miraculous will be getting it through one of the binder rings, so that is also an automatic 50 points. We're going to race. The first one to 50 is the winner. On your mark. Get set. Go. Did you go through? Oh, almost. Cameron, oh, finally I got 10.
30.
Oh, we went through. 50 points. That was amazing. Oh, you're so sweet to be excited. I never dreamed we'd actually get it through that. Should we play again?
Yeah.
Okay, on your mark. Get all of our frogs in place. That was so crazy. I didn't think that that would happen. On your mark. Get set. Go. Oh, you got 10 already. Ah! We are playing, by the way, that if you want to try and get one of the ones up here, you can play it off your hand. But that's going to be pretty hard to get. So it's possible to get those. 20 points already? I better get going.
That's 30. That's
30 points?
That's 30. No, wait. Yeah, that's 30.
Here's yours for you. Uh-oh, because you're what, 10 points away?
40.
10. Did you go? 50. You totally outbeat me on that one. Good job. So that is our twist on jumping frogs. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.